Guys, I'm back and thank you for watching this video. Now, if you guys don't know, my name is Lupe. I am the founder of AutoShopMarketing.io and Ant Marketing LLC, and I am excited. It's been a minute, and we're back with a bigger and better program, which is not only our standard SEO program, but a 90-day SEO program for those who qualify. Yeah, so this definitely keeps me up at night, right? There isn't a company out there, a marketing company, that's going to be able to guarantee you first page rankings in 90 days. I'm excited to bring this to market. We've been working on it for about 6 months, going on 7. Very difficult. It's very difficult to guarantee something like this. So yeah, before I even get started, I just want to point something out. There are SEO and marketing companies out there that they're trying to get you stuck on these long retainers, right? They're 6 months, 12 months, 2 years, and they're $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. It's a ridiculous amount of money to be for an ROI, right? That's so low, or it takes you so long to get that ROI, that return on your investment. And most of these companies don't track, right, the results. They don't track the calls. They don't track the leads. They don't have a CRM that connects with the SEO program. You don't have a dashboard that you can log in. You need a touch, right? You need to see, you need to feel the progress. If you don't have those emotions, well, I mean, you start to doubt how productive your SEO campaign really is. So one thing that really stands out about this program is how we do track everything, and you do get a dashboard that lets you see our results. So before I even get started, let me go at it here. This is the AutoShop 90-day SEO program. This is for auto companies. It can be auto repair shops, auto glass dealerships, tow truck companies. You have to be qualified, right? You have to have a website. You have to have some SEO. And then from there, we take over, and then we help you rank on that first page. Guaranteed first page ranking in 90 days, or we work for you until you do. And like I said, no contracts, no hidden fees, and you are getting about $5,300 in free software and services per month. We're giving out a lot of value. Now, for SEO, you're getting a custom SEO and advertising login, right? In case you do want to do ads with us, you get an ad dashboard as well. This tracks your keywords, your rankings, up to 1,000 keywords. It tracks your backlinks, your competitors, and a bunch of other stuff, a lot of other stuff. We would have to sit down on a demo to show you exactly how it all works. You're getting our local SEO strategy, on-page, off-page, technical, keyword tracking. We're targeting up to 3 locations. So I'm in Dallas, right? Let's say Dallas, Fort Worth, and Richardson, or Plano. You get to choose 3 locations, and those are your locations. Once you lock that in, no one else can grab them. That's why spaces are a little limited. People are already asking, right? They want to know a little bit more about the program now that we're open. So once you lock a location, that's it. No one else can come in for competitive reasons. You're getting weekly reporting sent to your email, competitor analysis. We're going to work on your website. And we do specialize in WordPress. That's why you have to be qualified. If you have another website, a platform, software, we need to look into it to see if the SEO works the same. But we do specialize with WordPress SEO. So this really works with any kind of website that has that's built on WordPress. But we do have to qualify you. And we're going to be building up to 30 location service pages, right? So we're targeting 3 locations for 10 services, 3 pages each, right? That's a lot. Most companies are going to charge you about $250 to $500 per page, right? So we're giving out a huge amount of value. You're going to get a live chat installed to your website. This helps increase your leads by, it can be up to 400%, right? That's 4x, right? It's a huge increase in your leads. We're also going to be building landing pages. We're going to be doing some conversion rate optimization to help you convert more leads, get more calls. Look, I'm going to be blunt with you. I don't care about the rankings, right? I care about the leads. I care about getting those sales, right? A website is built to sell. So if it's not selling, there's a problem, right? So you don't have to be number one. You don't have to be you don't have to be perfect, but if your copy is good, if your landing pages are good, you get two websites that are getting one is getting more traffic, the other one's getting less traffic. If the copy is good on one of them, the design is good, this is going to get more leads than the one that is ranking but doesn't have that good copy, that conversion to it. We're also going to be building lead gen forms. This can be stuff like form estimation tools, right? So like if you have a work job estimation tool, so like people get to fill out this form based on what they think they need, and it gives them an estimate of how much that might cost. We also have surveys. We also have scheduling tools that we're going to be installing to your website. We have a bunch of other stuff too that we need to talk about, right? A lot of cool stuff. We're going to be optimizing your Google My Business. You're going to get one-on-one consulting up to 2 times a month if needed. And of course, review management. Now, this is really cool because it helps you get more 5-star reviews to your Google and your Facebook. Basically, when someone schedules an appointment with you, they're either going to get a text or an email reminding them of that appointment. And once you service them, they're going to get another text and email asking them to take a survey. And once that survey is taken, the survey is a little bit optional, but they're going to get a link where they're going to click on it and they're going to leave a 5-star review either on your Google or your Facebook, right? Which is really cool. No one else is doing this kind of stuff, right? It's not just SEO. We're adding lead generation, right? We're adding website design. We're adding review management. It's a bunch of stuff that we're putting together into one amazing package. You're getting a lot more. So typically other companies are going to charge you about $5,000 to do all these services, right? Now, we're going to be charging a fraction of that. Now, everyone needs a little bit different, right? Different service, right? Some people need a little bit more. Some people need a little bit less. It really just depends on where you are, where your website is. That really depends the price. But it's never going to be $3,000 to $5,000. That's a ridiculous amount of money for independent shops. So just to kind of show you, we use a lot of tools to kind of help us figure these things out, right? To get you some crazy results. So I have a set of keywords here, and I'm gonna analyze them real quick for you to show you the power of SEO and why you need SEO. If it will only load. Alright, I'm gonna make myself a little smaller here. I'm gonna try to shoot for 10 minutes. 10 minutes, guys. I promise I'm not gonna go that long. Alright, so auto repair gets about 246,000 searches every single month. Mechanic gets about the same amount. Tow truck get about 165,000 searches a month. Dealerships a little bit lower at 90.5 thousand. Tire change 60.5 thousand. Auto glass companies in the United States get about 50,000 searches per month, right? You can see here the cost per click on Google, $3.45. Wow, $1.84 for tire change. $3.63 for auto glass. Super cheap, guys. Dentists have to pay about 20 to 30 bucks per click. HVAC companies pay up to like $50 to $60 a click. Ridiculous amounts. You guys really have it so nice and sweet here. Such a low price. So if you're not doing advertising, you might be able to convert 30 to 50% of these clicks into customers, right? Depending on how you structure this thing on the high end, you might be able to get leads and sales from Google at a high rate. Anyway, back to the SEO. So here, what we're looking at is to compare national SEO and local SEO, right? So auto repair nationally gets 250,000 searches a month, right? But locally, if you go down to like Dallas auto repair, that gets about 390 searches a month, right? Now, if you look at the keyword difficulty, this thing right here says 59%. 72%. These are difficult, right? They're getting a little bit harder to rank for. Definitely not that hard, right? If I wanted to rank for auto repair myself, I could rank this pretty, I would say within 3 to 6 months. But these easier keywords like Dallas auto repair, 30% keyword difficulty. Now, this is still difficult. You shouldn't be able to rank that in 3 months, but it's more possible, right? The possibilities open up. Now, look at this Dallas mechanic, 360 searches a month. Again, 37%. Austin cars for sale. Austin cars for sale gets about 1,000 searches a month. That's a 59% keyword difficulty. Pretty tough, right? But either way, if you're a dealership and you want to sell 100 cars a month, right? If you rank number 1 for Austin cars for sale, you're going to sell out really quickly, right? And this is just one keyword. What if you're ranking for 100? Catch my drift, right? You're going to drive more sales to your shop. So same thing here. Houston Auto Glass, that gets 1.3 thousand searches a month, 33% keyword difficulty, and so on. So what I'm going to do, wow, I went over 10 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this real quick. I'm shooting for 15 minutes now. We're going to see something different. Now, Dallas Auto Repair specifically gets 390 searches a month, 28% keyword difficulty. But in keyword variations, there's actually 4,300 people searching for Dallas Auto Repair services, right, across all 572 keywords, right? Now that's what we want to target, right? This is just one keyword. We want to hit up, Dallas Auto Repair Dallas, Auto Repair Dallas, Texas. Now we have Auto Glass Repair Dallas, Auto Repair Shop Dallas, Texas. We haven't even gotten into Auto Shop or Auto Shop Services or whatever, right? Those are all different keyword variations. If you look over here, Auto Repair Shop Dallas, Texas. All right, again, it's the same one. These are other variation of keywords. In totality, you get about 118,000 searches, all related to auto repair services in Dallas. This is per month. So there are thousands, literally tens of thousands of people searching for your auto services across any city at any given time in any month, right? So there's people out there looking for your stuff. And this is how we analyze, and this is how we build very specific campaigns to help you target those customers, right? Hot leads. And that's what an SEO campaign should be. Now, our 90-day program is meant for you just to get on that first page. But a proper SEO program should be an investment that is typically indefinite, right? You always want to be doing something for your SEO. So that's where we come in. We have affordable rates, and we can help you every single month. We can help you target these things so that you're always going to be getting qualified leads. Now, if I was an auto repair shop that specializes in transmissions or engine repair, I'm going to try to shoot to be the #1 guy for transmissions, right? For engine repair. I'm going to try to rank for as many high value keywords as I can to take that market. That's going to make me the most money, or it's going to make my shop the most money. Now, I can go into other details and how we ethically steal competitor traffic and ethically steal competitor leads and ethically outrank competitors, but that's going to take me more than 20 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up, guys. But if you have any questions, feel free to either comment down below, positive comments only. Make sure that you feel free to call or text me. Send me an email at lupe@autoshopmarketing.io. I'm here to answer any questions you have. I'm very excited for this program. I'm very excited for you to be coming in and looking into this. If you want, you can download my Ultimate AutoShop Marketing Guide. As soon as you fill this information out, you get a link to it. It's really cool stuff. I spent, I think, a month working on it. It's about 60 slides. Incredible stuff, right? It has all my hacks, all my tricks that I use to build and automate systems online, generate sales without having to be an influencer, without having to have a huge social media following, right? Which, if you guys know anything about me, I'm not a big social media guy, right? I like Google. I like building websites, generating a ton of traffic, and then getting sales from it, which is what we're good at. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, like I said, comment down below, text, email, or shoot me a message, fill out the form in one of my websites, and I'm here to help. So thank you.